In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the date format in Google Calendar. This can be especially handy if you're working with international teams, or if you simply prefer a different date format from the one that's currently set as your default. So, let's dive into it and walk through the process step by step. To start off, you'll need to open your browser and navigate to Google Calendar. You can do this by typing calendar.google.com into your browser's address bar or clicking on the app if you've already bookmarked it. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into the right Google account, as changes you make will apply to the account you're currently using. Now, with your Google Calendar open, draw your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You're looking for a gear icon which represents the settings menu. Give that a click and from the drop down menu select settings. This will open up a new page where you can customize various preferences for your calendar. Look at the menu options on the left hand side of the screen and you should see an option labeled General. Go ahead and click on that. Within the general settings, you will find a section called Language and Region. This is where you can adjust both the date and time formats to something that suits your preferences better. For instance, you might want to switch from a month, day, year format to day, month, year, or vice versa, depending on what you're more accustomed to. The great thing about Google Calendar is that once you make your selection for both the date and time formats, your changes are automatically saved. There's no need for a save button or additional confirmation step, which means you can see your updated format right away. And that's it. Changing the date format in Google Calendar is incredibly straightforward and takes just a few clicks. If you need to alter the settings again in the future, simply repeat these steps. By customizing your date and time settings, you can ensure that your Google Calendar is aligned with your personal or professional needs, making it easier to keep track of important dates and appointments without any confusion. As always, if you have any questions or run into trouble, the Google Help Center is a fantastic resource for additional support. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful for managing your calendar more effectively.